Every vehicle on the road depends on one thing: the ability to stop when it matters. And that starts with the brake pad. In this video, we take you inside Zohama and show how our brake pads are manufactured, inspected, packaged, and prepared for customers around the world. Zohama is a Japanese auto parts brand under Wholesale Automotive, specializing in the manufacturing and supply of brake pads for a wide range of vehicle applications. Serving distributors, wholesalers, fleet operators, repair shops, and automotive businesses, Zohama focuses on delivering dependable products supported by consistent manufacturing and reliable global supply. Behind every product is a manufacturing operation built to support large-scale production while maintaining quality standards throughout the process. From the production floor to the quality control department, engineers, technicians, machine operators, and inspection teams work together to keep production running efficiently and consistently. As we begin our tour, the scale of the facility becomes immediately visible. Spread across a large manufacturing site and supported by modern production equipment, the factory is designed to handle continuous production while supporting the needs of customers across international markets. Every department is organized to ensure smooth workflow, efficient material movement, and reliable output from start to finish. Manufacturing capacity and global supply. With modern manufacturing facilities, scalable production capability, and an established international supply network, Zohama supports customers ranging from independent distributors to large fleet operators. The company's manufacturing strength allows it to maintain consistent product availability while supporting both OEM-grade and aftermarket requirements. Today, Zohama products are supplied to customers across America, Europe, the Middle East, and other international markets. This combination of production capacity, quality management, and supply reliability helps customers meet market demand with confidence. Here in the sample display area, you can see the range of brake pads developed for different vehicle applications. Zohama supports a wide variety of passenger cars and commercial vehicles, with products designed to meet the fitment and performance requirements of different markets. This allows customers to source multiple applications from a single supplier, simplifying inventory management and purchasing decisions. Every Zohama brake pad is developed with a focus on dependable braking performance, durability, and consistent operation. Friction materials are selected according to vehicle requirements and intended operating conditions, helping the brake pads perform reliably during daily driving, stop-and-go traffic, and demanding workloads. Attention is also given to fitment accuracy, noise control, wear characteristics, and overall driving comfort. Now, let's take a closer look at how a Zohama brake pad moves from raw materials to a finished product ready for the road. The manufacturing process begins with incoming material inspection. The components then move through a series of production stages, including pressing, curing, grinding, and finishing. Where required, slots and chamfers are added to improve fitment and support noise reduction. Throughout the process, operators monitor dimensions, surface condition, and overall product quality to ensure consistency from batch to batch. The factory floor is organized to support a continuous manufacturing flow, allowing materials and components to move efficiently from one stage to the next. Zohama's manufacturing operations are supported by internationally recognized certifications and quality management systems, reflecting the company's commitment to product quality, process control, and continuous improvement. Quality control is integrated throughout the manufacturing process and is not limited to final inspection. Materials are verified before production, in-process checks are conducted during manufacturing, and finished products are sampled again before shipment. Depending on customer and market requirements, brake pads may undergo testing for dimensions, thickness, shear strength, compressibility, friction performance, and corrosion resistance. These inspections help verify product consistency and support the requirements of different markets and operating environments. Supported by established quality management systems and standardized production procedures, the factory maintains a strong focus on product reliability, process control, and continuous improvement. Once production and inspection are complete, the brake pads move to packaging. Products are sorted by application, labeled, boxed, and prepared for shipment. The packaging process is designed to ensure product identification, order accuracy, and safe transportation to customers worldwide. Supported by an international logistics network, Zohama serves customers across multiple regions, helping distributors, wholesalers, and automotive businesses maintain inventory and meet market demand. From raw material inspection to final packaging, every stage of the process is focused on delivering brake pads that meet customer expectations for quality, consistency, and supply reliability. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Zohama's brake pad manufacturing operations. If you are looking for a brake pad supplier for your business, contact Zohama to learn more about our products, manufacturing capabilities, and partnership opportunities.